Web3 is exploding with opportunities across Africa. From NFTs to DeFi platforms, play-to-earn games, and ambitious crypto projects promising financial freedom, it feels like the future is already here. But before you rush in, stop. I've seen too many African brothers and sisters jump in headfirst, only to lose their money, fall for scams, or end up stuck in projects that had no real value. And it's not their fault. The space is new, the hype is loud, and the pressure is real. That's why in this video, I want to help you stay sharp. I'm breaking down the 5 biggest Web3 mistakes most people make, especially beginners, and how you can avoid them like a pro. If you're serious about building wealth with Web3, not just chasing quick flips, then stick with me, because this video will save you time, money, and stress. And hey, if you're ready to take control of your Web3 journey, do me a favor. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. And turn on your notifications bell so you don't miss any future content designed to make you smarter, safer, and stronger in the Web3 space. Mistake number 1. FOMO, fear of missing out investing. FOMO is your enemy. Just because your friend made quick gains from a coin doesn't mean you should throw your savings in. Always research a project's use case, tokenomics, and team before investing. Real wealth is built with logic, not hype. Mistake number 2. No wallet security. If you don't control your keys, you don't control your coins. Many African investors keep funds on centralized exchanges. One hack, and everything's gone. Use hardware wallets. Never share seed phrases. Your security is your responsibility. Use cold wallets. Avoid screenshots. Store keys offline. Mistake number 3. Falling for hype projects without utility. Let's talk about one of the most common and dangerous traps in Web3, hype without utility. Just because a token has a flashy name, slick graphics, or a celebrity endorsement, doesn't mean it's worth your money. In fact, that's often a red flag. Many of these so-called projects launch with fanfare and viral marketing, but zero real-world use case. You'll hear things like, "It's the next Bitcoin. This will 100x in a week. Backed by a superstar rapper." But behind the curtain, there's no product, no roadmap, no users, and sometimes, no team. Before you invest your hard-earned money, ask the tough questions. What problem is this project solving? Is there real adoption, or just bots and hype? Is the code open source, audited, and safe? Can you explain what it does to a 10-year-old? Because if the only answer is price go up, that's not a project, that's a trap. No utility equals no sustainability. Remember, we're not just investing in coins, we're investing in solutions. Web3 should empower people, not just enrich early insiders. Wrap up. Africa can lead, but only the wise will win. Let's be clear, Web3 is still in its early days, and that means the opportunities are massive. But it also means the risks are high. Here's the good news, Africa doesn't need to catch up, we're positioned to lead this digital revolution. With our mobile-first economy, tech-savvy youth, and hunger for innovation, we have the tools. But we must move with wisdom, not just speed. Avoid the FOMO. Don't invest just because it's trending. Secure your assets. If you lose your keys, you lose your future. And most importantly, demand real utility. Don't fall for hype coins or celebrity-backed tokens that vanish in 6 months. The future of wealth in Africa won't come from shortcuts, it'll come from education, strategy, and smart investing. So if this video opened your eyes even just a little, here's what I want you to do. Give this video a thumbs up to help more people see it. Share it in your WhatsApp or Telegram groups, someone needs to hear this. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications bell, because every week, I'll be dropping the real talk you need to thrive in Web3, the African way. Stay safe, stay sharp, and let's build a smarter Web3 Africa together. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.